Hello, everybody. I'm so glad to be back with you for another round of fun stories to share. And this time it's about a bunch of furry friends. We'll see what happens in Move Over Rover. Today's featured story is written by Karen Beaumont, illustrated by Jane Dyer, and Hardcore Incorporated has given us the permissions to share this with you today. So let's see what happens on a rainy day, which is not at all what we're experiencing now. It's hot out there, 80 degrees today. Move Over Rover. Rover's in a doghouse, chewing on a bone. What a day to romp and play. Too bad he's all alone. Look at little Rover. Aw. Uh-oh. Oh my, look at the sky. Thunder, lightning, mighty frightening. Does Rover look frightened? He's just thinking, I can't go out and chase balls like on a day like this. Rain is pouring. Oh, how boring. Rover's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Cat is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Move over, Rover. Cat's in the doghouse. Oh, look at them. Sleeping through the storm. Who's this? What kind of animal is this? Cute, but not very safe. Raccoon. Raccoon is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Skit scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Raccoons can be fierce. Raccoon's in the doghouse. Oh, but not this one. This is a friendly raccoon. Sleeping through the storm. Who's there? Who's here next? Squirrel is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Do we see squirrel? I don't see squirrel. Make room, raccoon. Skit scat, cat. Oh, there he is, there he is. Oh, he blended in. Yeah. Move over, Rover. I was looking over here. There he is. Squirrel's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. So let's see, there's dog, cat, raccoon, squirrel. Blue jay's looking all around to find a place that's warm. Squeeze in, squirrel. Make room, raccoon. Skit scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Is that bird gonna fit in there too? Maybe right in there, or up there? Blue jay's in the doghouse. Yep, right on top of squirrel, sleeping through the storm. Ooh, who's that? Snake. Snake is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Out of the way, Blue jay. Squeeze in, squirrel. Make room, raccoon. Skit scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Is Snake gonna go in there? Sure enough. Oops. Oh, I think he's right back there. Can't tell. They're all so packed in. Snake's in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. Mouse is looking all around to find a place that's warm. Slide over, Snake. Out of the way, Blue jay. Squeeze in, squirrel. Make room, raccoon. Skit scat, cat. Move over, Rover. Tight fit, might split. Sorry, mouse. Full house. No room for mouse? Oh, look at them. Oh my goodness. A little too close for comfort. Crowded in the doghouse. All are sleeping well, but then sniff, sniff. They catch a whiff. What's that? What's that awful smell? What could smell so bad that they all want to get out of there? Haha. Skitter scatter, what's the matter? Scamper scurry, what's the hurry? I think I know. Is it something black and white? Yup. Oh, skunks in the doghouse, sleeping through the storm. The rest are racing round to find another place that's warm. Well, that's one way to get the whole place to yourself, isn't it? Oh my, look at the sky. storm's over. Where's Rover? Let's see, there's cat, snake, raccoon, blue jay, squirrel, and even skunk. There's mouse. Where's Rover? Romping, racing, jumping, chasing? No. Rover's in the doghouse, chewing on a bone, soaked and sopping, tail flip-flopping, happy he's home. Oh, what a long, exhausting day for Rover, but what a nice guy for sharing his doghouse. Yay! Have a great day, everybody, and remember to share with your friends and family.